eBay here. Welcome back to my channel. I know my lips are ashy as hell, but it's been literally a whole entire year almost since I posted a video on my YouTube channel, so welcome back. Today is actually going to be a really special video because today we are going to be doing my long-awaited skincare routine, my night one to be specific. So if you came to my channel, if you subscribed to my channel last summer of 2020 from this right here, then this is the video for you because this was the point. So I really want to apologize for not fucking doing the video. It has been a really rough year, but we'll get into that in other videos. So like I said, we're gonna start with my nighttime skincare routine. It is New Year's Eve. So if you're new here, my name is eBay. Welcome to IBAEBLACK.TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. And here we go. First, hold on, it's the holiday, so I'm gonna have to let's get started. I'm gonna do a double cleansing today. So, and of course, I'm gonna leave a link to all the products I'm using in this video down below. Usually it's a double cleanse. I use the cleansing oil. Obviously, I didn't have any makeup on, but sometimes I just like to go the extra mile. So I'm using the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Cleansing Oil. Always good to double cleanse every once in a while. Just in general, to get any extra dirt off that you may not get off with your cleanser. If you're using makeup, I would honestly say this is one of the best things to take it off with, is a cleansing oil. Oh yeah. I usually just rub this in for a couple minutes, and then you'll add some water to emulsify it. And so how have you guys been? Because, bitch, I have so much that has happened in the past year since I've moved to Vegas, which I have to give you guys like another update video, because I gave you guys an update video when I like was only here for like a few months. But now we're going into year 2 since I've been here, so it's like, girl, a lot of shit has been going on. Now that is rinsed off, so this is my skin up close and personal. Don't mind the lighting because I do have my ring light on, so this is what I look like up close, people. So now what we're gonna do is obviously wash. So I'm gonna wet a white washcloth with some really hot water just to help open up my pores a little bit more after rinsing the cleansing oil off. Now that my skin is rinsed off with the cleansing oil, I'm gonna go in with the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser, the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Face Wash. Love this shit. So you just rub this in. I usually do like a $half size amount. So yeah. Okay, so now my skin is rinsed off completely. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to air dry. So I don't really dry my face off with anything. I try not to use really much tools like that to dry my skin off when doing my skincare routine, because it can be irritating, and I feel like kind of, you know, doing the motions of washing your face is kind of like irritating, abrasive enough. That's enough, you know, physical touch. So I don't think, you know, I need that. So I just let it air dry, and then we move on to the next step. All right, so now this is the part where I'm getting out the shower. Skin has already been double cleansed, washed. Now the next thing we're gonna move on to is toning, to restore that pH balance, obviously, because I don't understand how people is just washing your face and moisturizing. You need to tone too. At least have a 3-step skincare routine: washing, toning and moisturizing, and probably like 2 to 3 days out of the week exfoliating. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Whispers. I use the exfoliating ones. It's kind of like I'm exfoliating every day, but I really don't know if these like truly exfoliate, you know what I mean? So yeah, and then I'm also gonna go, so now I'm gonna go in with the Oil-Free Acne Stress Control Triple Action Toner by Neutrogena. I'm sorry, I don't know if this is the best because it does have like alcohol in it and stuff like that, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I was recommended this skincare line by a dermatologist when I had like cystic breakouts. I've been using this shit probably since like 2018, 2019. So this is the GOAT to me. So I'm just gonna squeeze it out. And guys, this probably retails for about like $8 from Walmart or $7 or something like that. It doesn't come with this applicator. This came from a whole different brand toner bottle, but I kept it because I like the way it comes out. I just pour that one there, and then I'm gonna go all around under my eyes, around, get my hairline, and then I go down to my neck. I even do the back, bitch. Now this I'm gonna let set in and dry for a couple minutes. I don't know why, but this wine tastes mad good today. Usually this shit is, like I said, I bought this for the first time. I was like, eh. Alright, so the first Neutrogena toner has set in. So now the next thing I'm gonna do that I've been doing lately is double toning. I don't really know if it's really necessary or if I should be doing it. So the next toner we're gonna go in with is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. So this is what I'm using. I know it's a little baby bottle, but it was a gift and I really like it. So this toner is a little bit thicker, so a little bit goes a long way. And then on top of that, you know, this I don't use because it's thick. I don't use a toning pad for, because the toning pad kind of like absorbs it in a way and it kind of doesn't spread all the way right, you know what I mean. So we're gonna go ahead and dump this on here. I usually do one. See how it kind of drips low? Wait, hold on. See how it's like jiggly? Wait, okay, I have about this much. Oh shit! Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on. So now we're gonna move on to, I'm gonna do a little skin essence as well, just for some added moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the, I don't know how to pronounce this, y'all. Next I'm gonna go in with the Caudalie Paris Beauty Elixir. This right here. Boop. It has like some oil in it, so you kind of gotta shake it. And I'll be honest with you, the sprays kind of spray a lot, so a little kind of does go a long way, because like 4 sprays you will literally see a visible difference in how much is in the bottle. So I shake it and then okay. Alright, so now that has set in, the last step we're gonna do is moisturize. I am using, now don't be mad at me y'all, it's not me gatekeeping, it's not. This is an oil that my grandmother made. So if you follow my skincare routine, you can omit this until further notice, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna hold you. I love this shit. I really wish I could tell you I was in it. I kind of been using it for the past few months. So it's a really nice, it's an oil, but it's almost like, it's not like super thick, but it's not super thin. So it's kind of like a mixture between like the consistency of like, it's kind of like a cleansing oil consistency, kind of like a serum. So I usually just, ooh, bitch, boom, 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 and a tiny drop there. So that's what I usually do like the central areas of my face, and then I rub this shit in. Oh, next I'm going to go in with my, I usually do like a oil cream combo, but I don't have any moisturizer, y'all. The only moisturizer I currently have, because I just ran out like yesterday, is, I ain't gonna hold you, it's kind of raunchy, but it works. I've been using it for years. I use it every day, but I use it when I go to work because I kind of don't want to use my, you know, products. So good old fashioned aloe vera gel. I know it's kind of raunchy, but like I said, I don't be wanting to go to work crusty. So I at least put something on my face when I go to work. That way I'm not, you know, wasting my money and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna have to use it tonight. Bitch, my lips are crusty as fuck. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. This was another gift as well, but I love it, so I definitely will be purchasing it afterwards. I know it's a tiny bottle, but like I said, it was a gift. So, this is a mask that you're supposed to like let absorb and rub the excess in, but let me be honest with you all, it's just a good nighttime moisturizer. I just literally just rub it in, and that's it. Okay guys, so pretty much that is it. I know I look like a fucking grease monkey, but I mean, it's my nighttime skincare routine, so you know you gotta go to sleep extra glowing so you can wake up just glowing, you know what I'm saying? So that is my nighttime skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. So you know, usual shit, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notifications of whenever I post. I love you guys, and I will be back really soon. Also, I want you guys to have a good, prosperous, healthy, abundant new year. So I love you guys. Bye. Even though you say you